everything. Vitamin C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should do it. This is what impacts my dark spots the most. It's been making such an improvement. It's definitely due to vitamin C and sunscreen. If you're not wearing sunscreen, we need to have a chat. A little glazing milk. You guys know how I feel about glazing milk. It is a product that is perfectly hyped. It literally was just like Raven Baxter right there. Trying to remember something else on my to-do list today. Oh, okay. How can you not like this glazing milk? Some people, it does break them out though, so some moisturizer to top it all off. Today I'm using Skin Fix Barrier Triple Lipid Peptide Cream. Lately I've been dermaplaning, I've been using retinol, I've been doing a lot of stuff to my skin. So I want to make sure that I'm hydrating it. A little bit of a lip oil from Hourglass. I'm gonna give myself a blowout quickly. I'm not gonna show you because I showed you 3 vlogs ago, I think. So if you wanna know my full in-depth routine, definitely watch this New York vlog because it's like step-by-step, like a 10-minute guide. And then I'll see you in a sec. It is time to fuel myself. I personally can't work out fasted. I don't know if you can, but for me, it's just not happening. I'm making a breakfast sandwich and I'm just going to share my life hack for eating breakfast because as someone who, I'm not always the hungriest in the morning, and also I have ADHD diagnosed recently, which explains a lot about me and my life. I find it hard to eat in the morning, honestly. So this one thing has really helped me. One sec. Just gonna fry up this egg, you know? And my bread is ready. Okay. Eggs are done. Literally took 2 seconds. First of all, I just have to say, I am not a nutritionist, so please don't take any advice that I give you. I'm just a late 20s woman figuring out what works for her. But what I will say, please fuel yourself. There is a huge low carb, low calorie epidemic happening on the internet, and I hate to see it. Literally anytime I see a low carb recipe on TikTok, I'm like, skip. Unless you have like a medical reason or you figure it out with your doctor, like please just understand that there are macronutrients that are all so important. And understanding the importance of the different macronutrients is something that's really gonna help you. It's helped me a lot in my food and health journey. I don't demonize carbs, I don't demonize fats. Those are all stuff that your body and your brain literally needs, okay? So I love eating carbs in the morning because it is literal energy for your body. It's fuel for your brain. I also cannot work out without eating carbs. Again, carbs is literally energy. When I eat a good carb meal in the morning, I feel like I have a jetpack on my back when I'm working out. And when I don't eat carbs, I feel so depleted before I even start working out. So just feed yourself, please. I hope that's not controversial to say. If it is, so be it. One thing that has helped me with eating breakfast, which I just mentioned, I used to live in decision fatigue, breakfast specifically. I love dinner. I'm so good at making dinner. I have a million ideas in my head, but for breakfast, because my palate is just sort of like warming up for the day, I used to skip breakfast because I just didn't know what to eat. And lately what I've been doing the past few weeks is making these homemade breakfast sausage patties out of chicken. And then I just pop an English muffin in the toaster. I heat one of these bad boys up for 30 seconds. I make an egg. Breakfast is done in literally 5 minutes. So I have my English muffin. I put some butter on it and then sausage patty. So I make these probably every 3 days from scratch, okay? I take some ground chicken. I put so many spices in it. So sage, thyme, fennel, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika, chili flakes. The sage and the thyme is what's really gonna make it feel like a breakfast sausage versus a regular burger patty. Form them into little patties, put them on the pan, use quite a bit of avocado oil, and then let them cool. And you have it for like 3 days. And then I take some egg. Usually I fry up 2 eggs and I like them scrambled. And then I'll just snack on the rest of the 2 eggs that doesn't fit on the patty like this. I'm missing some stuff. So normally I'd love some avocado because that is really good fats and fiber for this. And then I'm also missing some arugula or some greenery. It's grocery day, so I don't have much to be honest, but it's better than nothing. I'll take some hot sauce. Okay, we have a breakfast sandwich that feels a lot healthier and better than the chicken patties at the grocery store that have so many like fillers and preservatives and stuff like that. The teacher finger is crazy. Keeps me full for like a long time, okay? Eat this, go back to the computer for a little bit, and then we're gonna go work out. Today's Pilates, which I feel like I haven't done in a while. It's me, E-Man, back in your earbuds, because I just always want to talk, okay? This is Flow House Pilates in Vancouver. I actually haven't done Pilates in months, but I specifically chose this studio because they have this instructor, Christina, who plays really good hip-hop music, which is personally my music preference when I work out. I do not want jungle sounds. I do not want tranquil music. Like, I understand, and I will not yuck your yum, but for me, I need some beats. I need a melody, okay? I need some words. Christina was so lovely. I loved her routine. I really enjoyed the class. Also, you can see the space is gorgeous and bright. If you're looking for Pilates in Vancouver, this is a really great spot to try. I would recommend it, and I will definitely be back. I actually used to go to Reformer Pilates and Legree for years, but like I said, I haven't done Pilates in a solid minute. You guys know I'm usually strength training with my personal trainer now 2 times a week, but I was craving something lower impact on my off day. I think that Pilates is such a great way to complement strength training while I'm building muscle and getting stronger in the gym. Pilates allows me to work on my mobility, my core strength, alignment, posture, so many benefits, which is why I don't really believe in the whole gym versus Pilates debate. I genuinely think they serve different purposes, and a well-rounded training routine has both. It has a magnitude of things. That is my TED Talk. Let's get back to the video. Matcha, we have our computer. It is time to start the workday. It is Monday, and I had a very, very, very good weekend. I had a bit of a recharge, but I also had my friend's bridal shower yesterday. So lovely. So lovely. It was on a farm outside of the city. It is such an honor to be able to witness your friends' major life events and have been there for years. Like, me and her have been friends since 2019, and I've witnessed her through so many different stages of life. And my friend is a definition of not settling. She found an amazing man, and I'm just so happy for her. I love love. I've always loved love. Quite a stacked week, honestly. We have a lot due. We have a lot of projects on the go. And then we also have a few social things. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little socialed out. I am. I really just want this week to be slow, and I want to eat really good meals. I want to be home. I recently bought a beach chair, and I love taking it to the park near the water and just sitting my ass down, looking out on the water, reading a book, truly recharging. It's funny because I always grew up as an extrovert. The older that I get, I need leisure time. I fully understand older people and how they just want to lay out on their free time, because that's me now, okay? Right now I have to do some admin. My team is actually all on the East Coast, minus Hallie, my assistant that you guys know. My managers and agents are all on the East Coast. So I always wake up to a plethora of requests and things that they need from me, which is actually, I kind of like it because I love knowing that they're just awake and on it. In my perfect world, I would be East Coast because, guys, East Coast just runs the continent, if I'm gonna be honest. This set that I'm wearing today, I just got it in the mail, actually. It's like a short and sweatshirt set. It's from a brand called Daily Drills. I actually just recently found out about it, and I like it because the top is super boxy. I don't like a slim cut sweater. I like a boxy sweater. So, side note, I really want to change that corner. Right now, that's storage for makeup, everything that I want to film with, everything that I want to try. I want to take that out and put that in my den and make that just a little more beautiful for filming setups. I'd like for you guys to have something prettier to look at. Maybe it's a piece of artwork and a little lounge chair. If you guys have any ideas, let me know because I'm all ears. Okay, let's just get to it, honestly.
Quando o piano já não quer mais tocar.
I'm back and it's time for lunch. The kitchen is such a mess, but it's middle of the day. Do you guys ever feel that? Wake up to a clean kitchen, it becomes such a mess throughout the day. And then after dinner, you do a closing shift, you reset, and it happens again and again and again. That is really the cycle of adulthood. Cooking, then cleaning, then cooking, then cleaning, then cooking, then cleaning. Let's go get some lunch. We have some barbecue chicken, some grilled potatoes. This is my favorite way of eating potato. Call it a potato pack. You slice it, you throw it on the grill. It's the best. And then made a little bit of kale Caesar salad for our greens. We have some more stuff to film and do. Hallie's over right now. I'm also gonna show you some things that I've been loving lately. First up is this sunscreen from Edam. I love that you can just apply it like this. And we have a dinner tonight, which I'm excited for, but everyone and their mom has been talking about this highlight milk and the bronzer from Rhode. This is shade number 4. It adds such a nice bronze. It kind of like evens out my skin tone a little bit. Do you see the difference between that and that? I like going in with a brush so that my hands stay clean because this is pigmented. I don't love running to the bathroom back and forth, you know, to wash my hands. That creates such a nice base so that your foundation, you can just go in exactly where you need it. You don't need it around your whole head. You guys know this is a favorite Western Atelier for like a few years now, honestly. At least 3 years. You just put it exactly where you need it, which for me is around the mouth, a little bit of hyperpigmentation, and then any dots on my forehead, got a little bit on the cheeks. We are getting shade matched at Sephora for this campaign, so I don't want to be doing too much. Really appreciative to be on the Sephora squad because the calendar's been really busy with Sephora squad and it's been keeping us so go, which if I'm gonna work with any brands, let them be super aligned. Obviously, I don't take on any brands that don't feel aligned, but it's just such a blessing that the plate is full with clients that I actually enjoy working with and I can say no to everything else. How nice is that? Guys, who are you rooting for in FIFA? Let me know. Now that Canada's out, unfortunately, and pretty much every African country is out, I don't give a hoot who wins. Another Rhode product, you guys. I would say I'm sorry, but I'm not, because this is the best product that they've ever released. Ever. And it is a pocket bronze. I made a video of this on TikTok and it did numbers because the girls needed to know what their shades are. I'm in the shade Drenched. So this is my universal shade. With that said, when I tan, I'm probably gonna be a little bit more of an anklet, somewhere in between the two. This is my everyday. This might be a bit of a summer deep, almost contour moment, you know? Speaking of tanning, I am going to the cabin next week. So excited. I literally just told you guys a minute ago that I'm in my like sitting in a rocking chair era right now. Like I love relaxing, no one's bothering me. Just, you know, reading my book, looking out onto the water. That's really why I believe that Canada is the best place to be in the summer. New York was such an amazing moment in May, but with that, in May. And that's a bronzer. It's so creamy and blendable and it just looks beautiful. I've been begging for a bronzer like this for a while. For lips, I already showed you guys my favorite drugstore one recently in a New York vlog, so I'm not gonna use that, but this one is Versed in the shade Saddle. Dare I say it, a drugstore dupe of the Rhode. Except here's the thing, drugstore prices are not drugstore pricing like they used to, you know? So I can't even really say like huge dupe, but I think this is $16 and this is $30, so half of the price. So today we're gonna use something different. I'm gonna use the Victoria Beckham lip pencil in the shade. It literally does not, oh, number 6. This is a Your Lip But Better lip liner for me. As you can see, it's not too deep, it's not too cool toned, it's not too warm toned, it's just a brown. After that, lately I've been loving this Clarins lip stain. Got both of these from Holt Renfrew actually, which is also another great beauty retailer if you live in Canada. With that, I'm gonna put some of this on my cheeks. Throwback to the Benetint days. You guys remember that? Oh, that's gorge. Okay, I might be taking this to the cabin and like this is the only lip product that I bring. And I just use it on my cheeks and my lips, the nose, a little bit on the forehead, you guys. I've been seeing that lately. Summer Fridays actually just sent over some goodies, specifically what I'm gonna use from this. How beautiful is this? I'm definitely bringing this to the cabin next week. Then we'll take Pink Guava. The last step that I do, I know that this is a little bit of a summer look, but I I need to do this every single time, no matter what the look is. I'm just taking this powder from Huda Beauty. We're just gonna mattify under the eyes. Do you see, first of all, how this just blurred compared to this? Okay, let me stop talking. We got so much to do today, so let's get into it. Okay, guys, on the menu tonight, we got beets, we got beef, and we got strawberry. And the whole point of this event is for their new Detox serum. I've seen some girls wear it already, and I'm really excited to get it. We have fresh baked bread.